crazy Raven's secret catfish bait is for real. Legend has it he learned it from a Sasquatch. Portended bar one even way up north in Caldwell, Idaho.
Secret super catfish recipe. A couple ingredients. We're gonna whip it together real quick. Nice and yummy if you're a catfish. All right guys, so we just need a couple of things. A tub to put it all in. Need some garlic powder, some red food dye, and then we're gonna have chicken hearts and chicken liver. The first thing we're gonna do is blend up the chicken liver so we can soak the chicken hearts. Catfish don't really like chicken hearts because there's not enough blood and stuff in them, but we wanna use the chicken hearts because they stay on your line a lot easier because of all the cartilage. So it's key that we grind up the chicken liver so the chicken hearts soak in it and get all the fat and blood going. Ooh, yummy. That looks like a blueberry smoothie. All right, so we got all our chicken hearts here. We're gonna dump those into our plastic. We'll probably leave these out for a bit so they're a little less frozen. We're gonna stir it up and get it all mixed in. Yummy. Just for fun, to spice it up, we're gonna add in some garlic powder. Just put in as much as you like. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let these thaw out a bit and then we're gonna mix it up. And then we're just gonna let these chill out in the fridge till tomorrow when we go fishing at Catherine's Landing.
I don't know. What cove are we at? I just went to three
Princess Washington Cove.
I had no idea where I was going. No GPS, nothing but a GPS.
All right.
5 pounds?
Dude, that's 5 pounds easy. Okay, so we have our hook right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our Raven's special catfish bait, which also catches carp apparently now. We found out on here, and then we're gonna attach this, and then we're gonna slide that down, and then we're gonna attach that to our snell hook. Here, I'll show you how we do it right now. Yeah,
Safety
you need
first.
to wear gloves. This stuff is really gross.
On the coat hanger. I see.
Hook it.
So the line's in a circle, it hooks to it. Oh my gosh, it's magic.
Now we're going for the big one, so we got our 1 ounce weight on there on our Carolina rig with our snell hook. Now this just easily attaches, so I never have to touch it. There you go.
Don't get that on our canopy. Ah, you did! Gross, ew, did it touch you? Ew.
Okay, so when you're throwing this much bait, it's important that you do it underhand, so you don't just throw your bait off.
Nice.
We're gonna let that sink, and I'm gonna click it, I'm gonna set it.
Perfect. It's decent size.
Yeah.
That line looks like it's pulling. Whoa.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's huge. Oh yeah, it's carp.
Wow. Oh my gosh. That's definitely the size of a big house cat.
Yeah, that's carp.
Is it edible?
Yeah, they taste super gross though.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. That is a really big fish.
Oh, I just took myself. Oh, it's up here.
Careful, I'll go get pliers. It is! No, it's a little catty.
Little catty. Not what I was looking for. It's really barking at me.